Okay guys, I'll be showing you the project section. So dito tayo gagawa ng mga projects na i-handle mo or ng team nyo. To add a new project, just click the add button on the top right. Okay, just enter the project name or project title. For instance, sales video animation. Example, yan yung title ng project natin. And then, you can add or assign a project category kung saan category ma-under tong project na to. So again, feel free. Depende sa company nyo kung paano nyo ino-organize yung mga projects. On our case, gagawa muna tayo ng sample is we call it video project. So lahat ng magiging project natin related sa video na makukuha ng team natin o i-handle ng team natin, dyan natin ilalagay. Yung start date ng magiging project, so pili natin today. Deadline, kung ano yung target na date nyo na matatapos yung project o makukomplete nyo yung project na to. Kung ito naman is open project, meaning yung ibang projects kasi hindi natin agad madedetermine kung kailan yung magiging end date. Like for example, yung mga research or R&D, pwede nyo naman i-choose yung without deadline. Pero of course, mas maganda para mas ma-motivate tayo o yung team natin, lalagyan natin lagi ng deadline yung specific project natin. Okay, say for example, we need to finish this by the 20th. Or the, yes, sige yan, 20. And then, allow manual time lag. So, ang purpose nito guys, kasi dito sa Colabida, pwedeng i-on yung timer. Kada gumagawa ka ng task, or yung mga team members mo, employees mo, pwedeng mag-on ng timer. Pwede rin naman mag-manual time lag. So, useful to. For example, may mga process kayo dito sa specific project na to na gusto nyong later on ilag yung time na na-spend sa project na to, i-check nyo lang tong allow manual time lag. And then, dito naman sa section na add project members, dito natin ilalagay kung sino yung magiging members or gagawa or mga kasama mong gagawa sa project na to. Okay? Sila din yung manonotify kung may update for this specific project, may mga task na natapos, or may mga comments, may mga in-upload na file, etc. Ma-update yung mga naka-add dito na members. So you can select the members that are already on your on your Colabida site. Pwede ka rin naman mag-add ng bagong members if you need to by clicking the add button. And then on the project summary dito, i-note mo or ilagay mo yung magiging process or summary ng project na to. Ano yung details, etc. Kung ano yung mga kailangan nilang tapusin, yung timeline, pwede mo rin i-add dito. So mag-add tayo muna ng sample. Project. Okay, summary. Then, kunyari, ligyan natin ng bullet. Sa item 3. Okay. And then, you can also add a link. Yan, pwede mong, kung ililink mo example, itong item number 1, pwede mong i-click tong link. And then, i-add mo kung saan siya magli-link. For example, for this example, link muna natin siya sa colabida.com. And then, pag kinlik tong text na to, mag-open sa new tab or new window. Ayan. So, magiging link siya. Okay. And then, additional notes kung if you have, pwede nyo isulat dito. Client name, again guys, pwede nating i-bind itong specific project sa specific client. Okay? So, for example, on this sample project, pwede nating itag si Mr. Pedro Sikap dito sa project na to, na siya yung client natin for this project. And then, you can also choose to client can manage tasks of this project. Meaning, so i-zoom ko lang. Collapse ko muna tong sidebar natin and i-zoom ko ng konti. Sabi dito, kung bang si client can manage yung task. Meaning, pwede siya mag-add ng panibagong task, di ba? Kung pwede siyang mag-delete, mag-update ng task. Kung i-allow nyo yan, check mo lang. Okay? And then, send task notification to client kung manonotify siya pag may bagong task na nai-add sa project na to. Or read-only mode siya, meaning hindi siya pwedeng mag-update, kundi parang na-observe niya lang, nakikita niya lang yung mga updates. Okay? So, yan muna yung iset natin. And then, pwede mo ring iset dito yung budget. Okay, nung project na to. For example, 10,000. Okay. And then, kung may budget, minsan guys, di ba, fix yung budget ng mga nakukuha natin project. Kaya yung purpose din nitong allow manual time lag. Say may project ka na nakuha, ang rating natin dito is based sa total hours na na-spend nyo. Yun yung babayaran ng client. Di ba may mga ganong type of project. Nilalag natin yung hours spent. So that's why pwede rin na option na i-allow natin yung pag automated and manual time lags. Okay? Or we go with a fixed budget. And then yung currency, pwede mong piliin kung anong currency yung available. Etong mga currency na nandito, pwede mong dagdagan yan later sa settings page, which will do another video for that. Hours allocated, you can add an estimated hours that you will be spending or allocating for this specific project. For instance, we'll allocate 40 hours for this. And then, yung status ng project, by default, naka-not started siya kapag bagong gawa pa lang yung project, meaning hindi pa siya nasisimulan. You can, along the progress ng project, pwede mong palitan yung status niya, like magiging in progress na, on hold, okay, canceled, finished, or under review. Kung if nasa review phase na yung project. But for now, we'll leave it as not started. If you have supporting files, pwede mong i-drag and drop dito yon sa section na to para ma-upload siya. Or you can click this one and then mag-open yung file upload window natin. Okay? Once everything is good, you hit the save button. Ayan guys, so na-add na yung sample sales video animation project natin. Ganito na yung lalabas sa project dashboard nyo or project page. Okay? So, pwede ka na ngayon mag-add ng task. So, yun yung next phase na or next step natin actually is after we create a project, maglalagay tayo sa loob ng project na yon ng mga tasks. Okay? So, let's go to that section.